Industrial Nerd said, this is for you, Nero. Industrial Nerd says, Nero, then why do analog European records play 16.66% faster in America? All hail Dark Roast.
What?
Yeah, you didn't know that?
What?
That's due to relativity.
The what?
Yeah.
But the what?
European record players play 16.66% faster in America due to relativity.
Record player.
Record players.
Record players, as in,
Yeah, do you know what a
what?
record player is?
I'm not even sure. Like, is
How,
that an old thing? Like the
how
thing
old are
that
you? How old are you?
I'm somewhat young.
Okay. Have you ever seen
So maybe it's like,
you ever seen a DJ? You know, like Will Smith's got a DJ. I'm the DJ. He's the rapper. That song, where they have the record and they're scratching. They're like that
yeah,
thing. That's a
yeah,
record
yeah,
player, and the record is spinning. It's a vinyl. It's a plastic type of material. You know, plastic, right? And then
yeah,
there's
yeah.
and then it spins, and there's actually music embedded in the groove of the plastic. That's a record player.
Yeah, but that what does that have to do with relativity? I don't
Oh yeah, because
understand.
so in America, if you have a European record player, when you bring it to America, it spins 16.66% faster. So the records actually play a little bit faster. The pitch is a little higher.
What? That
Yeah,
makes no sense.
yeah.
It's like a joke.
It sounds like a joke because it's a little chipmunky, but you know,
No, but like
relativity.
you're literally saying that
You can't
it
argue with the
spins
laws of physics.
faster on or slower a CD. Like what? It sounds like a joke.
So somebody wanted to clip me scratching. Yeah, good luck.